Welcome to this tutorial on PHP Excel database interaction. In this video, we will explore a PHP class designed for manipulating Excel files using ODBC. We will divide our discussion in two parts. First, we will cover how the code functions, and then we will dive into the specifics of the code itself. So, this is the code, and this is the Excel file. We can see there is 4 pages: course, student, teacher, and the registration. So let's add a teacher. Let's say 100. PHP, and then go here and refresh. Here we can see the executing query, and here we can see the teacher has been added successfully. We can also modify the teacher information. So 100, and we will refresh here. We can see that record update has been successfully updated, and we can see here the results. Here we can we can see here we can see the list of the teachers, and here we can see the list of all the teachers existing in the file, as you can see here. We can also add a student or a registration, or so let's take an example of a student. And we refresh, and let's go to student, and we can see that the student has been added successfully. And here we can see all the list of the student. As you can see here, with the last student we add recently. Now we can see we can see the list of teachers with the specialty in math. This is a message. As you can see here, the teacher with math are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 teachers. As you can see here, 3, 4. And this is the execution query. we can also get the course by the teacher number 1. As you can see here, the teacher number 1 is Muhammad. So when refresh, you can see the teacher number one has two courses, math and scan. And we can also finally we can retrieve courses with more than 3 credits. So you can see here the courses with more than 3 credits are PHP, analysis and physics. And when we refresh, you can see the list of courses with more than 3 credits. So let's go to the next part where I will explain the code. So we are in the second part of the video. First, let's start by examining the server class, which handles our connection to Excel files and perform various SQL operations, as you can see here. Here we declare a public property called ID connection to store our database connections. Next, we have the method that establish the connection. This method connects to our Excel file. If the connection fails, an error message is displayed, and you can see the Excel file, and here the path of the Excel file. Then we will go the constructors call the connection method when a new instance of class is created. Now let's look at how to execute SQL requests with the execute query method. As you can see here, this method executes a SQL query and handles error. If the query is a select, it fetch and display the results. We can perform basic root operation with this class. Let's look at the method for inserting, updating, and deleting records. As you can see here, this is the function this is the function add record, and this modify record, and this is retrieve teacher by specialty, as you can see here, and retrieve courses with credit above, and this the function search course by teacher, and this is the last function, it's remove record. And here we can the example tests that we have done in the first part. So before I finish this video, it's important to mention that I wasn't able to execute this code without modifying the php.ini file located in the C in the examp files, and activate the extension pdu.odbc. As you can see, here.